but I thought I was pretty smart in knowing some things in the Bitcoin community, and then learning from your guys' masterclass. There were so many things I just didn't understand, and what was great, why I think I like this partnership as an investor in my own self, but with you guys, is that you guys take the time, and I'm not rushed. I don't feel rushed. I don't feel like I have to. It's funny, I'm apologizing because I think I'm taking too much of your guys' time asking questions, and some are business related, right? And you explain that very well, and some are personal because I don't understand, certain things. You got to take that time, and everybody cares. And I think that family, it's like I'm a secondary family to you guys. I mean, you're the core, right? You guys obviously are a business abundant minds. You guys are your own family, but I just feel like I'm part of that. I don't feel like I'm just a customer. I know it kind of sounds weird or maybe cliche, but I kind of feel like one of the team, and that's what I like in reference to a partnership, is feeling a part of it and growing with it. So I like that. I call it that white glove service. You guys are like my concierge team, and I don't do anything. Now, do I pay a little bit extra for that? Absolutely. That's what I'm paying for, right? So, but that level of trust and that level of support, I don't want those gotchas or those, oh, hey, yeah, we did all this for you, but guess what, buddy? Now that we got you in here, we're gonna charge you for every little thing, and that's not there. And that's what I love about it. And speed, I will say that speed, very quick. I couldn't believe how fast I got my first miners up online. To be honest with you, I thought it was gonna be a longer time. I did learn, though, that there are other people besides me that are with you guys. So if the miners are available, get them while you can, because someone is going to grab them and they're going to buy them, and you're going to have to wait for another shipment for a few days. So in Oregon, for you guys, is your weather climate, I don't know if it rains all the time, but as far as what we think it does, right? In Florida, it's sunshine state, so we think everywhere else it rains all the time. But I just, that's the only piece I think in the winter time. That's probably what I liked about it, is you're out in the elements and stuff, and you don't have to pay for air conditioning like we do here in Florida to keep things cool. You just use the natural climate. Absolutely, 100%. I'm so happy I did it. Upset that I didn't do it sooner, because I've been in the game now 8 years. Do it, 100%. Don't even question it. I mean, I don't know all the other, companies. I'm sure you have your competition. I think every organization does. I think what I would tell somebody if they're looking at other providers is that white glove service that you guys provide, the proactive care and the communication up front. And look, I'm not a whale by any means. I'm just a regular guy that I see this as a revenue stream and an opportunity. I can't do it myself, obviously, because of the power requirements. Any miner knows that it's very difficult to do that. But you guys are doing all the work. Truly you are. Obviously I had to write that check to start that process. But now, once that's done, it's all hands off. It's literally just, we get to watch a web page for the next X amount of years. Do it, 100%. Don't even question it.